Hello, this we're gonna be making asaro today. Call it yam porridge. I hope my yam will be fine. I hope my yam is okay. So we're gonna cut them into pieces and peel. Cut it into cubes. Let's cut it round, and then cut at the middle. Peel the skin off. Wash the yam. It's been cut into cubes. All right. Put enough water because it's going to cook very it's going to be very soft. We're going to leave it to cook and it's going to be very soft, and should have some liquid in it as well by the time it's already cooked. So I'm going to put it on the stove now. So it's on the stove now. I'm going to add a little salt. We're going to just put little salt because we're still going to add some meat stock to it. I have meat stock in the fridge, and the meat stock has a little salt. So the salt we put in there now is just little, and we're going to cover it for it to boil. So we have the fish already deboned. We washed it in here. The fish deboned and washed to be put inside, and this is a smoked fish. It gives it a very good aroma when it's cooked. So we're going to keep this aside, and I'm going to cut onions and put aside as well. Chopping the onion, half of a big onion to put in there. Okay. So that will be put when it's done. Okay, it's been boiling for about 15 minutes now. So we're going to add palm oil. That's about 15 mils. Add a little bit more. That'll be about 30 mils of palm oil. Then we're going to add onions, chopped onions. Okay. And then our fish, smoked fish that we washed, we're adding it to give it a little taste. And then next, ground crawfish. We're going to put about 4 teaspoons. One more. Okay. Turn it. Again to boil out. I put in our bodilon Maggi, and then I'm adding ground cayenne pepper, about a full tablespoon. Adding adding the meat water, the meat stock. I had it in the freezer, so I just brought it out. So I'm going to add it to it now, and they will all cook together, and the whole thing will thicken up. So we'll leave it to continue to cook until the yam is very soft for another 20 minutes. Next is tomatoes, blended tomatoes. I already have onions and everything in there, so, and then we'll just cover and it will cook. One more thing, I'll add my vegetable at the last minute to when it's thickened. I'll add a little bit of spinach to it. So we're going to wait until it's going to cook and it will thicken. It's thickening now. It's almost ready. So I'm going to put the last ingredients. It's already thickening at the bottom. It's getting thick. So I'm going to add the last ingredients, which is my vegetable, spinach, washed spinach. So it's going to cook in there too. We'll cover it for that to boil out, and it will be ready. Our Asaro porridge, yam porridge, will be ready. It's ready. Asaro. It's ready. Thickened. All right, ready to be served.